Oh my goodness, had a little bit of a delay getting this video out. Hope you guys enjoy the video / vlog. I'll make you a deal right now. If he lets me off with a warning, I'll give you $100.
All right.
Deal? What's up, YouTube? If you clicked on the video today because of the title description, I just got to give you a quick backstory. So I'm about to go pick up my buddy Matt. Now, when I met Matt a few months ago, he was homeless, completely homeless. And I saw him on the side of the road, and he had a sign, and he was asking for work. He was like his sign said something like looking for work, want a job. He wasn't asking for a handout or anything like that. So I pulled over and I talked to him real quick, and I asked him if he was still going to be there for a little while, because I was running to run some errands and whatnot. I didn't have time to stop and talk right then and there. Anyway, so I said I was going to come back, and I stood the guy up, and I don't know if he thought I was being serious, but about a month goes by, and I go back to the same location, and he's out there again, still looking for work. He was doing some day labor stuff here and there, but he was really trying hard to get back up. He got let go from his job from COVID. And so I came back, I was like, hey man, wanted to let you know I didn't forget about you. And he's like, man, that's really cool. And so it was like super hot out. We were standing underneath this tree getting some shade, and I was just like, you know, tell me your life story a little more in depth. And he shared with me a lot of personal things that I don't really want to put on YouTube. It's his personal business, but I'm gonna go pick him up today. I told him I was gonna take him out for dinner, but he has no idea that I recently acquired a Porsche GT3. So I'm hoping that I could get his reaction in the car with this and give him a little leg up here and have some fun. And I don't know if he's still down and out, but I'm about to go meet up with Matt, and hopefully he's doing all right. And yeah, we can put a big smile on his face and have some fun. So we're almost to the exit where Matt said he was going to be. I'm hoping it's easy to find him. It'll be interesting to see what how he reacts. Like, get in, buddy. And I know some of you might be thinking, oh, so cringe-worthy, you're putting this on YouTube. And honestly, with as much negativity that's going on in our world these days with COVID and all this rioting, you know, I think more people need to see stuff like this. More people need to see other people helping others out, instead of trying to tear everything down and burn down buildings, etc. Anyway, we should be getting up here. I gotta roll my windows down so I can yell at him if I see him. There he is. Walking over here, guys. This will be interesting. What's up, Matt? Good. What's that? You hungry?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Oh wow, it's a Porsche, huh?
Yes, sir.
I don't think I've ever been in a Porsche.
You've never been in a Porsche?
No, sir.
So that's cool, man, because I got the GoPro recording right now.
Okay.
I got to get your fucking reaction in this thing.
Okay.
So how you been, man?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Pretty good. Just, you know, not so super positive the last couple days. But
Yeah? Well, let's see if we can change that. You said you like Chinese food, but how do you feel about a steak?
Sure.
Okay, you down?
Been a long time since I had a steak.
Really?
Yeah. I'm trying to remember. Nothing's coming to mind.
You know, I haven't had anyone say anything to me yet about them.
And then just wanting to get more work out of you, which is fine. I mean, I'd love to go to work with a guy, but he's like, oh, can you help me out? I need help moving this thing. And then like 4 hours go by, you know, and we're doing stuff, and that's great. But then he's like, okay, thanks. And I'm like, okay, that's cool.
And it doesn't pay you.
Right. And,
Oh, so are you still sleeping in the SUV?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't want to say the wrong thing, and the guy get pissed off, and then he's like, well, just go, you know. But
As in, like,
get your stuff and leave, you know.
off the property?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I got it.
And he paid me for the day, and he's like, well, do you want to work tomorrow? I'm like, yeah, totally, man. I love to work every day. He's like, okay, well, same thing. You know, if I'm running late or something, call me. I'm like, okay.
I want to hold on there, buddy. a delay for dinner.
Hello.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, you're going a little fast there.
I apologize for that. I was picking up my buddy Matt here. I just had the car for a month now, and I was just giving him his first ride in the car. Just a little bit. I will not do that again, sir.
I see your license registration.
Yes, I'm gonna reach in my back and grab my wallet.
Do you have any weapons or anything?
I don't have any weapons, no, sir.
Yeah, like that license registration.
Oh. And I have the temporary. Not that one. All right, thank you, sir. Oh, yes, thank you.
I don't know.
I think we got up to like 90.
Oh wow.
I have my company's transport plates on the back.
Okay.
Yeah. But she's probably gonna ask me about that, maybe.
Oh,
This
wow.
is the exact same car
No way.
that I saw in 2012.
Mm-hmm.
And it just turned out that I bought the exact car that I caught on video and said
wow.
I'm gonna own a car like that in the near future someday, and it worked out. I'll make you a deal right now.
Mm-hmm.
If he lets me off with a warning,
All right.
I'll give you $100.
All right.
Deal?
You got it.
Yes, sir.
So, explain the plate to me. What is that, a dealer tag or what?
The car that I sold, my old car, is now down in Florida. I'm waiting for the guy to mail me my plates off of that, because in Montana I can transfer plates to a new car.
Okay.
So yeah, she said just as soon as that car sells and get the plates, let us know and we'll transfer it on those plates.
So in Washington, with the transport plates, they're only really supposed to be used getting the car from A to B.
Right.
Not for driving around daily use. So this is probably the tag you want to have on there so you don't have any issues.
Okay.
Okay. And then I need you to slow it down.
Yes,
I know
sir.
you're having fun, but this isn't the place for it.
I understand 100%, sir.
All right?
All right.
Drive safe, okay?
Sir, I want to say thank you for your service too, and I hope you guys stay safe out there today.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Looks like you just made $100, man. Got that on tape. So the place I like to get steak is right here on the Max at the Maribou. Have you ever been there?
Mm-mm.
Get you a fatty ribeye.
Sure.
All right.
Yeah, I love steak. Who doesn't?
Vegans.
now.
So you ever been in exotic cars?
No, I'm nervous now. Like, whoa, okay. No, I never. Been in some nice cars, but nothing like this. Wow. So you can give me a ride out to Ken's.
Or I'm gonna swing by my bank.
Okay. Thank you. That dinner was amazing. But to have that quality of meal is just amazing. Thank you.
Well, I figured it'd probably been a while since you had a good one. So what do you think about the car though, man?
Man,
Like,
this is sweet. I mean, it's like it's a rocket, dude. It's like a jet. You know? And you punch it, I'm like, whoa, man. Yeah, you meet up with the guys and
all right, I'll be right back.
okay.
Debt owed is a debt paid, sir.
That's,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
you don't have to do that, man.
No, I did.
Well, I mean,
I said I would.
you're
If
a
you
man of
didn't
your
give me a
word.
ticket, I'd give you 100 bones. Not because it's required, it's just nice to know like people actually give a shit.
Yeah, you kind of forget what the real world's like sometimes, you know. I'll sleep better I'll sleep better than I have in a long time, but because I don't have to worry about tomorrow. That is so peaceful, you know. I don't have to worry about, okay, I gotta make sure I'm gonna be able to eat throughout the day, so I'm gonna have to set this kind of time aside to do this. I can literally spend all day focusing on what I need to focus on as far as getting work, you know.
Okay.
I mean,
So that $100 is gonna help give you that a little
oh
bit.
hell yeah, this is it's gonna pay my phone bill. It's going to I mean, I don't have to worry about food.
That's
And-
awesome, man.
And I mean,
You have no idea how good that makes me feel that I can do that for you.
you have no idea how good it makes me feel, bro. This is, I mean, I wasn't gonna die, but it just makes life
No, I hear you.
that much easier, you know.
Yeah. why I said when we first like talked and I gave you my number, I was like, hey, check in with me and let me know how you're doing. You know, even if just say, hey man, I'm really feeling like crap today, like could use a funny joke or something, you know?
Yeah. It's hard.
Like if you're ever in a jam and you have no other resources, man, give me a call and say, hey man, I could really use a lift if you're free. Like I got to get out of here. Some really bad shit's going down. Just can you drop me off over here instead?
Okay.
And we'll be like, all right, Batmobile on the way. Please don't be any cops. Please don't be any cops. Please don't be any cops. 3 years ago, Matt, no joke, 3 years ago, I moved back up here. I didn't have any money in the bank. I think maybe I had like $500 in the bank, something like that. And now I have a successful growing company. I just bought my first exotic car. So it's like you can go from A to Z real freaking quick and not even know how you're gonna get there, but it works itself out. Well, YouTube, unfortunately, the batteries died in the camera on the way to take Matt home, so we weren't able to capture the last bit of the video where he really like dug deep into some feelings about the whole experience with the car and going out and getting a nice dinner and stuff. And Matt just showed so much appreciation for everything, and he was so grateful, and I just feel honored and blessed that I was able to share that with him. Super nice dude. And I really just wanted to put this video up so that hopefully other people will see it and realize, like, you know, life really isn't that bad. And there's people out there that are really suffering in a lot of pain and not doing so well. And it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to just lend a little help, you know, just to put a smile on someone's face and make them feel, you know, like they're a decent human being. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. We got a whole lot more different content coming to you guys. We'll see you on the next video.